better to stand to the side of the hive like this. Wow, look at this already. That hive's swarming out. I don't know why. Look at that. This got shifted.
Oh, on the top? You're making it on the lid?
Yeah.
Lots of production. Oh, look.
What? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's keep that right there.
Lots of production.
Wow. Looking pretty good.
That's a ton.
Pretty in there pretty good too. Alright, first frame out. Wow, they're even drawing comb on the last frame. Time to add another box.
Let's see the other side.
It's not real great, but it's better than any other last frame I've ever seen.
Good.
Make sure there's no queen on the frame before we set it down. I doubt it, but
You never know. She might start wanting to.
let's put it there.
Oh,
Alright.
wow, that thing's starting.
Yeah. Alright, let's move this one out towards the outer
Preston,
edge.
you want to move that smoker? Just hold it. Stinks.
That's weird. More drawn out on the last frame than the second to last frame. That one back. Oh man, they really gummed this up now. This is the first time they've really gummed up the frames like that. Must be, oh, there's a lot of bird comb on top of that other one.
All
Must
right.
be getting ready to.
Let's see that side.
No queen. It's just, they're just getting ready to draw it
Oh,
out.
wait, let's see the other side.
It's just barely starting to draw out there in the middle. Wow, there's like 10 times as many bees in here now. You notice that?
There.
Almost completely drawn out. That nothing in it. Oh, a little pollen in the corner there. The first pollen in the frame. Oh,
Let's
deadly.
see that side.
Just finished drawing it out, so they're
No
just about
queen.
ready. No queen. Alright, here we go. Ooh, this one's kind of heavy. Ooh, bunch of capped.
Oh, yeah,
Larva.
look at that.
Queen could be up here. Let's start looking. She's laying babies in this frame. You don't see her?
Let's see the other side.
See her there? Should be kind of surrounded by other bees, but they're all drinking because of the smoke.
Oh, what's that? Looks like a bee's in there.
Yeah, but that's right, because they're all drinking
Oh, okay.
because they think the hive's going to burn down. All right, no queen. However, probably going to see her on the next few frames. Oops.
Could she still be in the bottom one?
Oh yeah, more than likely actually she is in the bottom, but she's obviously coming up and laying eggs.
Wow, look at that side.
Holy frick.
That's honey. Oh wow, what is that? All
That's
right.
a lot of bees. That's what that is.
Yeah. See anything? See the
You
queen?
put your hand right there. No.
I don't see the queen either. She's gonna get harder and harder to find with more bees.
Oh, yeah, look, honey.
Something.
Cool. Right, let's see this side.
It's weird how some of the cells are popping out like that.
Yeah. Look at that one.
Oh, is that the queen right there?
Where?
No.
No. Doesn't have a dot on her back.
It might rub off, but that does not look like a queen.
Yeah, she's way bigger. Oh, what's that up there? Honey?
Nectar. They're just drinking it.
Okay.
I ripped it open because it was attached to the other frame.
Oh.
Alright. Oop, sorry. Dropped you a little. Oop. Do it again. Maybe we got them spaced out a little too much. I don't know why all this burr combs. Preston, you're choking me. Put that smoker down. Quit smoking.
Oh, look at all that nectar right there.
Yeah. Get ready to cap it.
Wow, look at all that.
Yeah. Wonder why they built it up out so far.
That's good.
Oh, look at that. That's honey.
Where?
That browner capped stuff, I'm
This
pretty
right
sure, yeah.
No, I thought it was white like this.
I don't know. I think once it ferments and they cap it, it's... See the queen yet?
Nope.
Me neither.
Looks like they're all drinking.
Yeah. That's where I ripped open the comb. Look at this big old piece of burr comb.
Oh, wow.
You guys want a souvenir?
Boy. Yeah, I'll take it. They'll probably start coming after me, but...
Let me see. Getting a little agitated here. Alright, hold that. Let's look at the last frame here before we... Not drawn out next to the...
Oh, yeah.
And then a bunch of nectar in that one.
Oh, what is that?
I don't know. Weird. Just different color.
Yeah. It's pretty cool, though.
Definitely gonna add a box to this one. Let's look in the bottom.
Preston, go grab a box.
Leave the smoker.
Go right here.
At the bottom. Ouch.
You're gonna see the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay. You're just gonna put it on this one. Whoa. Are they all swarming?
Yeah.
Is that what they do before they leave?
No. I'm just doing that because they're getting a little agitated. Huh? Just set it right there. Because I'm going to set this one on top of it. Set it right about.
Oh, okay.
No, out where Bryson, closer where Bryson is. So they don't get confused being too far away from the hive. Oh, it's all stuck. Okay, here we go. Watch out.
Wow. Look
This is
at
gonna
that.
get crazy now.
Oh, it's not focused. Sorry.
Okay, watch them all go down now.
That's pretty cool. Preston, hold the smoker again.
Alright, I'm not going to pull that one out because I know there's no queen on that.
Preston.
I'm looking at this.
Looks like they still have several frames to draw out. Down here, the ones I put in last time.
Alright.
Still haven't been drawn out. Maybe we won't put a box. Alright, let's see if we can find the queen.
Okay.
We got a lot of pollen
Oh,
and a
yeah.
little nectar. Wow, look at that big bee. Is that the queen right
Where?
there? Right there.
Where?
Right. See it?
Right there?
No, no. Put your finger, I'll move your finger. Right there. Look at that big old sucker. That's a drone. That must be a drone. See how big he is?
Oh, yeah. Thing's huge. Right there.
Yeah, it must be a drone. All right. Nothing on the other side. Another couple drones, biggies. Fat boys. You're getting a little aggressive, so it must be getting near the queen.
Wow, that is
She's
a
got to
lot.
be here. All right, let's look.
There's
Oh,
a
look,
lot
look at the larva
Where?
right there.
Oh, yeah.
What the heck? Why is it coming out? Or maybe they're just starting to cap it off. That's weird. Maybe they're uncapping it and getting rid of him.
I wonder why.
I don't know.
Look at the other side. There's a lot.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Well, look at that one, too.
Oh, yeah. It must just be capping them off. I thought they capped them off when they were smaller. Yeah, you see the queen anywhere? Come on, queen, where are you?
She might be on the next one. There's a lot on the next one.
Okay. Alright, let's look on the next one. I don't like it when you drop it like that. Oh yeah, this next one's loaded. Alright, watch out, watch out, watch out. Okay, quit trying to sting me.
Oh, wow.
Look at this guy like doing his little dance up towards the
yeah,
center
the
top.
wiggle.
Yeah.
He's,
Whoa!
oh, they're coming after me. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. That was close.
That is a ton of fun.
That guy tried to sting me.
He's got a camera so close. I don't see the queen. Gotta find the queen this time. I didn't see her last time. Here we go. Come on, where's the queen? Is that her right there? No,
Where?
that's not her.
That guy's doing the wiggle too.
Mm-hmm.
They're telling him how far away the pollen is.
Mm-hmm. See the queen anywhere?
Press look out so I can see it.
I did not see the queen. This guy's trying to sting my head. I just don't see the queen anywhere.
Oh wait. Oh,
Where?
never mind. Never mind. I thought that was her. Well, she might be on the next one.
Yeah, I guess
There's a
so.
lot.
I hope so. Getting a little nervous not seeing her for 3 weeks.
Well, there's a lot of bees.
Yeah, a lot more bees. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys, here we go. I know you don't want me grabbing the frame. Oh, a lot of buzzing on this one.
She's probably on this one, if anything. That guy tried to sting me.
Yeah, getting kind of aggressive. Getting tired
I
of
think
it.
I found her on this side.
All right, where at? It's because you tried to touch her. Where is she?
She's probably right there in that group right there.
Holy crap, I got like 5 on my phone.
It's starting to-
I had 5 on my phone, so I freaked them out.
Ugh. Starting to sting me too.
Oh, I found her.
You did?
Yeah, there she is. Yep.
No green on her anymore.
Right where?
A huge butt right there.
Right up the top corner. See her?
Uh-uh.
Right here. Look.
Oh yeah, right there.
Okay, we saw her. You got a good picture of her?
Yep.
Okay. Let's close up the hive.
Preston, where's your gloves? You're trying to sting my hands.
The same with me. When I tried to touch her,
Well, that's because you tried to touch the queen. it back. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to squish you. Alright, we're not gonna add another frame because look, these 1, 2, 3, 4 frames have not been drawn out.
Okay. Press the video for a second. I'm gonna go get your pills.
Okay, watch out.
So I don't get
Press.
stung.
Gotta try and get these guys down below.
Here, video for a second. Preston, grab it. Stop being a little girl.
You can video. Okay, there they go.
Well, I don't know how to video. Oh, it's videoing now. Did you zoom in, Bryson?
Alright, watch
I
out.
don't know how to work this thing.
Putting the box back on.